Channel, my name is Vakir Khalifa. Today's video I'm gonna review the foundation NYX, and I think this was collabo with the YouTuber. Her name is Ashley. She's quite good. I watch her YouTube. I watch her videos quite a lot as well. She's quite a good makeup artist. I love her. She's literally amazing, and I think this is it's quite good as well to show that you can do the skin color. You can do this, you can do that, and I think this was quite good for her and for the brand as well, because it was quite loads of shades to pick on. I was literally online trying to pick up my shade that I literally thought that it was mine, but every time I looked at different shade, I'm like, no, maybe this is mine. It was 38 shades, 38 or 49 shades, something like that. It's quite a lot of shades, like quite a lot. So if you go online, you will literally panic yourself because you don't know exactly what to pick and what not to pick, because all the shades, it looks amazing. Like I didn't even have a clue which one it was mine. So I'll have to literally go back on YouTube and watch another people YouTubers what's it called, the YouTuber videos, and I got back again. I'll be like, maybe this is mine. I got back, it was literally chaos. Like it took me like a week to figure out exactly what shade I am. That it never happened before, because every time the brands actually release a what's it called, the foundation, I just go online and be like, okay, that's mine, definitely that's mine. But this one was a little bit difficult to find my shade. It wasn't difficult. It's not difficult as like, oh, it wasn't any shades in my skin tone, but it was a lot, and then that's really good thing. Give me a little bit exam out there, but it quite good thing. I really like it, and I tried to find the foundation in Leicester, but I don't think they released it yet in the shops. So you have to get it online, so that's why it took me long to do the this video today, the review about the foundation, because I thought, you know what, let me just get online, and then 2 days time is gonna be in Leicester, but it didn't. It took like a week literally to arrive to the place, basically in Leicester. And I was like, you know what, the foundation is already here, let me just do the video today and I'll show you guys how the foundation looked to me. The foundation was only £15. In dollars, I don't know, I think I don't know how much in dollars. In dollars, it's gonna be like $20 or $17, but in UK it's £15. So I got it, and then it's here. I'm so excited. So let's just do this video and let's go into it. So this is how the foundation look like. This is how the foundation, the bottle looks like, and the name is right here. And the foundation is matte foundation, and the foundation basically is supposed to last 24 hours. I don't know about that, and I wish I can go out and come back in 24 hours and to show you guys how the foundation looks like after 24 hours. But anyways, this is supposed to be matte. It's supposed to be 24 hours, £15 in UK. That's not bad. That's not bad, because if you compare it, I was holding like this, if you compare it to like high brand over there is like 25, 26, £30, but this is only 15, so it's quite good. And this is how the bottle looks like. The name right here, we can't stop, we won't stop, right here. This is right here, and this is the lid right here. It's like plastic glass, it's like see-through glass, and here is the pump right here on the top. So this is how the bottle looks like. I like it. I like the bottle, I like the lid of it, I like everything about it. It's something simple, not very heavy bottle. You can usually carry and put it in your purse. That's quite good. We don't want something heavy. So yeah, this is all 3 shades I got right here, guys. This is a 3 shade that I got, but I'm not sure which one it will be my skin tone, that will go on my skin tone. So stay here and stay here, guys, don't go anywhere. And one of this is gonna be my skin tone. So the shades that I got is mocha. Mocha, is that how you say it? I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's M-O-C-H-A, mocha. Anyways, I got mocha. This is mocha right here, and I got cocoa. This is cocoa. I think cocoa, it will be my shade right here. It looks like my shade, but anyways, this is cocoa right here. So I got mocha, I got cocoa, and I got Home Mahogany. I got Home Mahogany. Is that how you say it? Mahogany. So I got mocha, I got cocoa, I got Home Mahogany. This is the free shade that I got right here, guys. So let's start to swap this to my face and we'll see which one will be the winner for today. So we'll start with Mahogany. I'm just gonna pour like a little bit in my hand right here, Mahogany. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna just play it right here. This is Mahogany. Mahogany is a bit light, Mahogany. Let's go to Mocha. Maca or Mocha? I don't know how you have to say it, guys. Even when I'm saying it wrong, don't laugh at me, guys. Mocha or Mocha? So this is oh, this is really light. That is really light. Mocha, Mahogany. This is Mahogany and this is Mocha. The Mocha one is a bit light, so I don't think that will go. Mahogany, it looks alright, but it looks really light in my skin tone. This right here, Cocoa. So let's try Cocoa.
Yeah. Oh, pretty damn okay.
I don't know, I think Mahogany is my skin tone. This one right here is my skin tone. That's Mahogany and that's Cocoa and that's Mocha. Mocha is really light. Mahogany, it looks like my skin tone. Cocoa, it looks a little bit like orangey tone, and I don't have orangey tone at all. So the person that has an orangey tone, that's the perfect person to have this Cocoa. Mahogany, I think that's, when I put it, I thought that's not my shade at all, but to seeing it right now, I think that's my shade. So I'm gonna go with Mahogany. Mahogany, I think, is my shade. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with Mahogany. I'm just gonna wipe everything first. I'm gonna go into my MAC primer. I'm just gonna pull Mahogany right here, just a few pumps, and then I'm just gonna get I got this brush from literally eBay, like £2, but it does the good job anyways. So I'm just gonna go in and then I'm gonna just, oh, this is how the foundation looks like right now, guys. I look a bit, I can see myself in the mirror right now, but I think this is my skin tone, but it's a bit orange to me. It makes me a little bit orange, a little bit lighter. But bear in mind, my neck and my chest bit, my chest is like the shade, same shade as my face. So yeah, but I really like the foundation. It doesn't have a smell. No, it doesn't have a smell. It's easy to blend. It's full coverage, like you can see, guys. It's literally full coverage. I was worried because I got little bit spots right here, and I'm a little bit darker around my mouth area. But everything is sorted, is covered. That's good. So full coverage. Is matte. Yes, it is a matte. It covered most of the place that I was literally worried a little bit darker, but it covered almost of the stuff that I wanted to be covered. So that's really good. I can see myself in the mirror right now. I really like it. It's really easy to blend. It's really affordable. It's really cute. I like the foundation. There's nothing I can say wrong about the foundation yet. So it's literally so cool. I can tell everyone out there just to try it and get your shade. I know it's quite difficult, but I think at this time, when this video comes out, they might have it in a local store or in a local whatever shop that you live, or whatever city that you live, they might have it by that time. but this foundation is really cheap, 15. Nothing can wrong, you can't go wrong with it. I really like it. I think it's cool, it's cute foundation, but the four pumps that I put it in my hand, it wasn't enough for me. I don't know why, but it wasn't enough for me, so I have to add some more pumps, like 2 pumps to literally to cover all my face. It's liquid, it's more like, it's kind of a bit watery. It's not like, it's a bit watery for me. If you can see it right now, it's like a bit watery. It's not like really heavy foundation, it's like watery, but when you put it, it's matte at the same time. So I really like that. I really like this foundation, it's really cool. So guys, for that note, I go ahead, I'm gonna finish my face in the backstage. Which backstage? Guys, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish my face, you understand, and I'm gonna come back here so we can chat about the video. Don't go nowhere, stay here so we can see how this foundation is gonna come together with the look that I'm gonna be showing you. So guys, this is the final look right now. This is how the foundation looks like right now. I don't have nothing to say about it. The only thing I'm gonna say is dries really quick, so when you work with it, you have to work really literally so fast with it. But that's the only things I would say is bad about the foundation. But all the good things I want to say about it is literally so cool to work with this foundation. It's matte, it's full coverage for only £15. So nothing can go wrong with this foundation. I like it. I recommend it to every dark skin out there to try this foundation. Nothing can go wrong with this foundation. I don't know about the dry skin, but for me, I'm not a dry skin at all, so it worked for me, the foundation. So I don't know about the dry skin, another dry skin person, but I think the dry skin as well, this foundation will be good for you as well. That's in my opinion, but I'm not a dry skin at all, but I think this foundation can work for you as well if you work with it really quick. Not exactly what things you're using after that, but it works. I think it works for any skin tone out there, like any skin that you have, you literally can work with this foundation. I really like this foundation. I'll be using this foundation like for everyday look of me. So yeah, I cannot stop looking myself in the mirror. Like, I think this red lipstick is like, you know, but yeah, I really like this foundation though. Look at myself right now, I feel like it goes with my skin tone, everything. I was worried about it, but now it looks fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification up, so every time I upload the video, you'll be the first one to watch my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope